How to turn off private browsing on Android. Hello, everybody. In order to turn off private browsing on Android, you may follow up the steps. So, you can launch your browser. For example, Chrome is something we usually use on Android device. So, what you can do is you can access the tab switcher. For that, tap on the tab icon, usually square with number inside at the top of your screen. Tap on it and you'll be finding all of your tabs. So if you're on a private browser, for example, if you've turned on incognito mode, usually in the top right corner we have a three dot. Tap on it, and when you do, you'll be finding option called new incognito tab. So when you go ahead and turn this option, you'll be finding your incognito tab, which is a private tab. So in order to turn it off, you just need to go ahead and close that specific incognito tab. You can just go to the tab like this and cross it out and close it up, and you'll be seeing a regular tab. So you can just head over and tap on one of the regular tab on your screen, and that way your private tab will be closed and you will be turning off private browsing on your Android device. And that's it. So if you'd also like to do so, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.